Hey guys, this is Daniel from Valor Comic Services, and welcome to the channel. Today I've got a huge mail call. I've got straight from eBay a Marvel trading card, and this came out of the Flair Ultra X-Men 2020. I saw this on eBay as soon as it was listed, watched it, and ended up getting the high bid. We're about to check out what it is. Okay. So here we have the purple high series Mr. Sinister. And it is a 1 of 1. So how cool is that? So if you're coming from the comic book background and you're not quite sure what the 1 of 1 means, it means that this is the only one with the different colors. And I'll show an example here. We'll go break it down. So this is the base series, and with this card, if you were going to make a rainbow of it, you would have your base card, which is pictured here, where the artwork is just the original artwork intended. Then you would go gold, where the background is solid gold. Next level, you have one called Grandiose. To me, it's very underrated. Grandiose just has a very pretty purple effect to it. It reminds me of the holographs from Pokemon cards. After your Grandiose, you have your pink, which would, like how this is numbered 1 of 1, it's out of 75, which means only 75 are printed. And then you have serial numbers indicating which number it is out of the 75. Then you also have your precious metal gems, which are PMGs. The PMGs are what really popular right now with investors and new collectors. With the red PMG, it's out of 100. So say if you wanted to pick up this card in particular and get the red PMG of it, you can get it for under $80 for the most part currently. Next, the green PMG. The green PMG is out of 10, and it's highly coveted. Once you get past the next step of the green PMG, then you have the purple. And this is the purple FX 1 of 1. There are also two other parallels I can talk about real quick, which is the blues, where you had to get this card, the 10 of the base cards on e-pack, combine the base cards and you would get 1 blue, or the black, where you had to take 10 blues to get 1 black. And it's a pretty impressive feat. It takes a lot of work and a lot of grinding in order to get those cards. But now that I have the purple, that's considered the anchor. The anchor is going to be the most difficult card out of your set to acquire. So now that I have this one secured, I can slowly work my way up to finishing the set and having a rainbow of Mr. Sinister, with the goal to have this card and then pair it with the 2020 Marvel Masterpiece Battle Spectre gem of Sinister vs. Cyclops, the 1995 Flair X-Men buyback of Mr. Sinister, as well as the 95 buyback of Mr. Sinister vs. Cyclops, with the goal of having a Mr. Sinister display showcasing the cards, my copy of X-Men 221 signed and sketched by Marc Silvestri, and then a Mr. Sinister statue or figure. Now that we've checked it out, explained how the rainbow works for these cards, I'm very happy to have this purple 1 of 1 in my collection. I was able to acquire it because I just sold a blue 1 of 50 Bullseye PMG. Whenever it sold, this was available literally the next day. and the funds that I acquired from that sale secured this. Now, in the listing, it listed that this card has damage, which is just a very fine scratch at the very top. However, coming from the comic book background of low grade is better than no grade, I'm perfectly fine with this. This is a PC item for me. It has nothing to do with trying to make sure it came back the highest grade possible. So I'm super stoked for this, and I can't wait to get the rest of the cards in the set so I can build my Sinister display. If you have any question about Marvel cards, I'd love to help you out. If not, I can point you in the right way to get all the information that you need. If you have any questions about getting comic books, or maybe want to get your books ready for a signature series similar to what I did with the Marc Silvestri book, hit me up at Valor Comic Services. I've got links to the Instagram, Facebook, and my email address so you can contact me. Till next time, guys, stay safe.